Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Tuesday's Daily Financial Digest.
The gold got a slight bump of 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The pound fell 0.7% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator's negative signal is in line with the overall technical analysis. The last session saw the Aussie drop 0.8% against the dollar. The RSI indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
Wall Street's main indexes fell sharply at the open, with economy-linked value and travel stocks taking a hit after a spike in global COVID-19 cases raised fresh concerns. Bitcoin miner Iris Energy Proprietary is reportedly planning to raise about $200 million in a new fundraising round before it seeks a direct listing on the Nasdaq. TiMi has opened a new AAA game studio in Montreal. The second such studio the Tencent-owned division has started in a month.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The U.S. Redbook Index will be released at 12:55 GMT, the Eurozone's current account at 800 GMT, the U.S. housing starts at 12:30 GMT. Australia's RBA meeting minutes will be released at 1:30 GMT, Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 23:50 GMT, Germany's producer price index at 600 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.